Today, Chris and I went over to a nearby lake. We're going to try our hand at some ice fishing for bluegill, perch, crappie, whatever bites. Stay tuned. Chris and I are all set up. We got our heater going. We got our Markham LX7 going. We're marking fish. We're warm and comfy. Hopefully, you'll be seeing some fish on the ice here soon.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Yeah, it works though.
You say throw her back.
It's up to you if you feel like cleaning them. Swims another day. That's a real nice one, Chris. Yeah, another good eater.
That one's gonna go back. He don't want to go back.
Nope.
There he goes. Oh, I got all those friends up here.
You know what?
Well, we'll just keep them. Nice one.
What we're finding is we're at 31 feet. We're finding that the bluegill are anywhere around 27, 28, even as deep as 29 feet in this water column. So we're trying to present our bait right in that zone.
me?
You know what? I'm about to give you my phone reel and let you just go ahead and catch them.
I started off on fire, and here you are just showing me up.
I'm just going to you, that's all.
Like,
Hold them up so I can see up my
another decent one.
Yeah, that'll work. Nice one.
Definitely better than mine.
It's a team sport, son. I want a bait back. Come here, give me your lip. I'm having a heck of a time. Anyway,
And you're in the light.
not a gill. Hey Chris,
Yeah.
that fish you just threw back,
Yeah.
he hasn't swam down.
No, but here's the one to match the one that you didn't get the video of the last time.
I'm just not quick enough on the trigger to get these fish as quick as we're catching them.
No, you need to use this Rogue fishing thing. Oh, it's right there. It's in your pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're a spokesman for Rogue Fishing Company now?
No.
Nice fish.
Putting up a good fight.
Yeah. Another nice one.
Yep. That's the biggest one I've got so far.
Bonus fish as far as not even knowing I had it on the line. This one we're going to throw back. Swim down. There you go. Man, that speed's lit up the fish down there. Another good one. Might just mention that this is, I don't know how good you can see it, this is the jig that I'm using and the bait. Working real good today. Get her back in the hole. We're getting about ready to wrap it up. We've got plenty of fish to take home and eat. It's been a great day. We found a nice bunch of fish in this location. We've stayed right here. They've been in 31 feet of water is what we're fishing, but the fish have been suspended right around 24 to 29, and it's just been fish after fish for us today. So what do you think, Chris? Shall we maybe catch a couple more and call it a day?
Mm-hmm.
Had enough?
No.
Never enough. Okay, folks. Well, thanks a lot for watching. We really appreciate it. And until the next time, take care and God bless. Chris got another bite.